On your Facebook group about this, I can't remember if it's a group or a page, but your Facebook
I
thing.
think I'd done it as a page. I thought it was a group because I was trying to get, I was hoping people, my main kind of purpose was invite 3 people in and everybody post so that when you see it, you take a picture and you put it on and then we can comment. And then the more that's done it, it's kind of making awareness. And you go, wow, I'm seeing this in 50 cities. It's not just, because that's what's the problem as well. When someone sees something, they think there's something wrong with them. Why do I think differently to everybody else? And then when you kind of get people that are kind of getting this and understanding this, it just makes you feel a bit better going, oh, yeah, I'm not nuts. This is really happening.
Yeah, you're right. It should be a group, I think. If it's not a group, then I think it should be. But and you're saying how to stop them. You're saying in the name of So how do we stop these?
Well, I mean, we've seen it in Tennessee that you get senators. So it's a case of elected officials. I mean, I'm not really one into voting because I don't think I think it's all corrupt, to be honest, which I saw it in the Irish. Like, there's no way the people that got into power this time, because I don't know anybody who's supporting them. Everyone's against them, and yet they got better votes than the last time. So it's a case of go to your local councillors even, because sometimes people don't realise the power of the councillors, and sometimes they know the councillors. And it's like, hey, look at this. This is your child is actually breeding it. Your child is doing. And if you get the councillors to bring it up, then you're getting places. And also, like, if we got 100 people, like, there's a lot of times I talk about stuff and everybody complain about, say, like the 5G on the school and everything, and everyone is, yeah, it's not good. And then you say, all right, let's do something about it. And they just turn around and walk away. So I've learned that it's very hard when you're kind of going into a boxing match against the city and the government on your own not to do that. But when you get brave souls that decide this ain't happening, if you've got 100 people that stands outside the mayor's office or some of the council's office, they take attention, and then people are looking at it and they're going, what's going on here? And it's just numbers. It's just a case of never abusive, never pushing your agenda, just making people aware, just kind of saying, this is what's going on. And like sometimes, like even say my awake, the amount of people that come up to me and go, thanks very much, I love what you're doing, thanks very much. But they never comment or anything because they're afraid they'll be marked. Don't be afraid, because that's what they want.
Yeah.
When you share something or comment, I'm not just saying with me, I'm saying with anyone that's like bringing out information that's actually helping the world. By commenting, sharing, just even giving a heart or something like that, you're helping. And by not, even though deep down you're happy what they're doing, it's like you're not helping them. So if you can't support them and get behind them, even by just sharing it, that's supporting them. And everyone can do something. And like, if you're afraid to stand up, but if you can share it, it could be 3 people shares along, and then you get your major leader who's going to get really gung-ho and people get behind them. So by sharing, you have a better chance of it stopping.